Why should we save the honeybees?
The bees are an important part of our agriculture and economic purpose. They pollinate a third of our food and make 6,000 tons of honey a year, making the U.S. $583 million.
Every day, each bee pollinates more than 1,000 flowers. They do this by collecting the pollen from the male part of the plant, called the anther, with their legs and unintentionally moving into the female part of the body, called the stigma.
This process fertilizes the flower, making it grow big and strong. This also makes crops yield more food.
Bees pollinate crops such as almonds, blueberries, pumpkins, watermelons, grapes, and more. This equals out to be a third of our food.
Bees are dying in a number of ways. They're being exposed to fungi and parasites, competition, habitat loss, pollution, pesticides, and climate change.
The varroa mite is a parasite that attaches to the larva of the bees and consumes its bodily fluids. This makes the bees weigh less when they hatch, causing impaired flight performances. This also causes reduced hyperpharyngeal glands, which affect the honeybee's ability to feed developing brood in the hive.
Another pest that affects the honeybees are the acarine mites. This parasite blocks the bees' airways, and this causes the bees to suffocate and die. There's also a type of fungi that is aiding in the destruction of the bee population. The fungus Ascosphaera apis causes chalk brood, in which the mycelium encrusts the 3 to 4 day old larva in a honeycomb cell. The larvae stay in there and can't get out. The mycelium hardens in the cell and can easily be removed.
Another factor contributing to the decline of honeybees is habitat loss. This is a result of urbanization when people take over land for housing and commercial shopping. Climate change is also affecting the bees because they can't migrate when the weather gets warmer.
Pollution is another reason the honeybees are becoming endangered. Colony collapse disorder is a phenomenon that occurs when the majority of worker bees in a colony disappear, leaving behind the queen, food, and a few nurse bees for the remaining immature bees. Emissions such as ozone, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide are what scientists believe to be the cause of colony collapse disorder.
Possible solutions to the destruction of bees are removing bee pesticides, adopting pro-bee plans, and promoting ecological farming. We need to do everything to save these special creatures, because if we don't, our lives will be that much harder.